Hello buddies, let's go on, and in today's video we will study measurement, Maths All the Way book, exercise 11.1 full solution of class 5. So let's begin.
A. 378 centimeter. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. तो हम लोग 378 को 100 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. चलिए डिवाइड करते हैं. 378 divided by 100. 100 into 3 equals to 300. Subtract. We get 78. We add a decimal and then add a 0. 100 into 7 equals to 700. We subtract. We get 80. We put another 0, and 100 into 8 equals 800. We subtract and we get 0. So our answer is 3.78 meters. Next, 1265 centimeter. As we all know, 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. तो हम लोग 1265 को हम लोग 100 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. तो चलिए डिवाइड करते हैं. 1265 को 100 से. 100 into 1, 100. Subtract, we get 26. 5 comes down. Into 2. 200. We subtract, we get 65. We add a decimal, we add a 0, we do 6. 600. We subtract, we get 50. We add a 0. Then 5 equals 500. Subtract and we get 0. So our answer is 12.65 meters. Next, 8665 centimeter. As we all know, 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. तो हम लोग 8665 को 100 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. तो चलिए डिवाइड करते हैं. 8665 100. 100 into 8 equals 800. We subtract, we get 66. 5 comes down. 100 into 6 equals to 600. We subtract, 65 remains. We add a decimal. Because we've added a decimal, we will add a 0. Now 100 into 6 equals 600. We subtract, we get 50. We add a 0. Then 100 into 5 equals 500. We subtract and we get 0. So our answer is 86.65 centimeter. Next question है 2988 centimeters. As we all know, 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So we will divide 2988 with 100. So let's divide 2988 with 100. 100 into 2 equals 200. We subtract, we get 98 as remainder. We bring that 8 down. We do it with 9. We get 900. We subtract, 88 remains. We add a decimal. Then we add a 0. 800. We subtract, we get 80. We add another 0. Then 100 into 8 equals 800. We subtract and we get 0. So our answer is 29.88 meters. Next question, 83 dm. As we all know, 1 meter equals 10 dm. So we will divide 83 with 10. Let's divide 83 with 10. 10 into 8 equals 80. We subtract, we get 3 remaining. We add a decimal, then a 0 here. Then we do 10 into 3 equals to 30. We subtract, we get 0. So our answer is 8.3 meters. Next question, 110 decimeters. As we all know, 1 meter equals 10 decimeter. So we will divide 110 with 10. Let's divide 110 with 10. 10 ones are 10. We get 1 as remaining, and then another 1. We get 10 and subtract, we get 0. So our answer is 11 meters. Next, 196 decimeter. 1 meter equals 10 decimeter. So we will divide 196 with 10. Let's divide 196 with 10. 10 into 1 equals 10. 9 remains. We bring that 6 down. Then 10 into 9 equals 90. We subtract, we get 6 remaining. Because we can't divide 6 with 10, we add a decimal, then add a 0 here. After that, 10 into 6 equals 60. We subtract and we get 0. Our answer is 19.6 centimeters. Our next question is 205 decimeters. As we all know, 1 meter equals 10 decimeters. So we will divide 205 with 10. So let's divide 205 with 10. 10 into 2 equals 20. Subtract, we get 0. We will bring down 5. And there is no numbers extra and we cannot divide 5 with 10. So we will add a 0 and then minus 5 with 0. We get 5. Then we will add a decimal and then we add a 0 here. Then we divide. 10 into 5 equals 50. We subtract and we get 0. So our answer is 20.5 meters. Next is 783 decimeters. 1 meter equals 10 decimeters. So we will divide 783 with 10. So let's divide 783 with 10. 10 into 7 equals 70. We subtract, we get 8 as remainder. We bring down 3. Now it's 83. 10 into 8 equals 80. We subtract, we get 3. Then we add a decimal and a 0. Then 10 into 3 equals 30. We subtract and we get 0. So our answer is 78.3 meters. Next, 519 decimeters. 1 meter equals 10 decimeters. So we will divide 519 with 10. Let's divide 519 with 10. 10 into 5 equals 50. We subtract and then we get 1 as remainder. we bring down 9. It's 19. 10 into 1 equals 10. We subtract and we get 9 as remainder. We add a decimal and then 0. Then 10 into 9 equals 90. So our answer is 51.9 meters. Our next question is 15 decimeter and 5 centimeter. To convert it, as we all know, 1 meter equals 10 decimeter and 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So to convert 15 decimeter and 5 centimeter to meter, first we will convert 15 decimeter to centimeter and then add 5 centimeter to it, and then we will convert that number to meter. So as we all know, 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeter. So we will multiply 15 with 10. Let's multiply. 0 into 5 equals to 0 and 0 into 1 equals to 0. 1 into 5 equals to 5 and 1 into 1 equals to 1. Let's add. We get 15. 150. Plus we need to add that 5 centimeter. So it will be 150 plus 5 centimeter. So let's add. 150 plus 5 equals 155, and 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So we will divide 155 with 100. 100 into 1 equals to 100. We subtract, we get 55 remainder. We add a decimal and then a 0. Then 100 into 5 equals 500. We subtract, we get 50 remaining. Then we add another 0. 100 into 5 equals 500. We subtract and we get 0. So our answer is 1.55 meter. Next question. Next question is 35 decimeter and 70 centimeter. As we all know, 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter and 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So to convert, we will convert first 35 decimeter to centimeter and then add 70 centimeter to it and then convert it to meter. So 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeter. So we will multiply 35 with 10. So let's multiply 35 with 10. 0 into 5 equals to 0, 0 into 3 equals to 0, 1 into 5 equals to 5, and 1 into 3 equals to 3. Let's add. We get 350. And we will need to add the 70 centimeter. 350 plus 70 equals 0 plus 0 equals to 0. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. And 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So we will divide 420 with 100. 100 into 4 equals to 400. We subtract, we get 20. We add a decimal and a 0. Then 100 into 2 equals to 200. We subtract and we get 0. So our answer is 4.2 meter. वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो रहा था, इसलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में होगा. अगर आपको उसकी नोटिफिकेशन चाहिए तो आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें ताकि आपको नए वीडियोस मिलते रहें. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Subscribe please.